Hello everyone. This is the fourth part of the series Learn about Arduino and Programming. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please do check it out. The link to the playlist is available in the description box or you can find it in the I button on the top right corner of your device. In this video, we will learn how to write an Arduino program, compile and upload the program and blink an LED. I am KAVER, you're watching Tech Domicile. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's open the Arduino IDE to write our first program. Here we can see various menus in the menu bar. In Arduino environment, each program is saved as sketch. By default, it creates sketch and a name. We can change the name by clicking on the file menu and on save. Type the file name as blink LED. Now click on save button. This is the default program environment with two empty functions, void setup and void loop. Now we will write an Arduino program to blink the LED. For this LED program, we want to blink pin number 13. It is a digital input-output pin connected to this LED internally. Now we have to write our code. Void setup function stands for setting up the microcontroller. In our case, pin number 13 has to be set up first. To do this, we will use an inbuilt function called pin mode. It has two parameters, pin number, mode. So, type pin number, open bracket, 13, output, close bracket, semicolon. Why should we keep our mode as output? This is because the pin number 13 is internally connected to the LED. It will glow when the voltage is high, but it will not glow when the voltage is 0. We have to configure the mode as output to serve the voltage to the LED. Next, we will write code to the void loop function. Before we blink an LED, let us glow an LED. There is a function called digital write which will write to a digital pin. This function has two parameters as pin numbers and value or state. Already we know the pin number as 13, the value should be high or low. So type digital write, open bracket, 13, high, close bracket, semicolon. We want to glow the LED, so the voltage should be high. That's all. The code is very simple. Next step is to compile the program. To compile, you can click on the tick icon on the menu bar or click on sketch, then select compile. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+R to compile the program. This will compile a program into binary format which is understandable by the microcontroller. You can see the compilation status at the bottom of the IDE. Next, we need to upload the program to the microcontroller. You can click on right arrow button on the menu bar or you can press Ctrl+U to upload. We can see that TX and RX blinks for a while. This indicates the transmission is on. Now you can see the LED is glowing. If we want to turn off the LED, we have to modify the program such that the second parameter value is low. Now let's compile and upload the program. You can see the LED is off. Now we know how to turn on and off an LED. Next, we will modify the program to make the LED blink. That is on and off with 1 second interval. We will change the program as shown. Delay is a built-in function which pauses the program for a certain amount of time. I will write delay, open bracket, 500, close bracket, semicolon. Here, 500 means 500 milliseconds, that is half a second of delay. Then type digital write open bracket 13, comma, low, close bracket, semicolon. This makes the digital pin 13 to off mode. How long we want to turn it off? For that, type delay open bracket 500 close bracket semicolon. Let me explain the void loop program line by line. Void loop is an infinite loop and it will execute continuously. The pin number 13 is connected to the LED, will be in high state for 500 milliseconds and then in low state for 500 milliseconds. This program is executed repeatedly in the loop. Let's upload the program. We can see our LED is blinking. The delay timings can be changed depending upon our requirements. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. That's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if interested in this series, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. You can also follow me on Instagram at TechDomicile. Thanks for watching.